different story. I'm trying to find the glory. Got them all sleeping on me, my haters out here dying, snoring. Why they mad that I'm finally growing, and they seeing me fighting for it. What they wanna get involved for, I kill them all off until I'm enormous. Cause 9 to 5 is boring, grinding 5 in the morning. I'd rather make music, get paid for it, die with a fortune. And my ride is foreign, every whip I drive imported. Anybody know me, they know. For this game, no, I'm dying for it. I'm on now, give me that crown, yeah. Ain't nobody out here really wanting with me. I'm going hard while you falling asleep. I got it all cause I deserve it all, yeah. Just being honest, they don't wanna see me honest. I'm taking over this game now and that's a promise. They out of pocket, they don't wanna believe I got it. Give me that crown now cause I'm the king, call me your highness. This life a movie, I'm a motherfucking star like Clooney. From dusk till dawn, I'm a loose sleep. I ain't tryna live broke like you be. I've been coming for the bag, I do me. Will I get paid? Absolutely. Cause you better knew a boss like Takeoff. I ain't left all bad and bougie. Heard them talk, they barely knew me. I ain't let no stranger fool me. When I came in the game, y'all showing that fake love. I ain't look past your jewelry. Now this ride is foreign. Every whip I drive imported. Anybody know me, they know. For this game, no, I'm dying for it. I'm on now. Give me that crown, yeah. Ain't nobody out here really wanting with me. I'm going hard while you falling asleep. I got it all cause I deserve it all, yeah. Just being honest, they don't wanna see me honest. I'm taking over this game now and that's a promise. They out of pocket, they don't wanna believe I got it. Give me that crown now cause I'm the king, call me your highness.
Whoa. 2 for 1 today. 2 for 1. The guy says he's not gonna go live in the morning, then he shows up in the evening. Who is this guy? What's going on? What's going on, Astro? I've never seen you in the chat, my man. Hope you're doing well with the fire and the money. Are we burning money or are we making money? We got the Pure Polier apple juice, okay? This is not sponsored by Allen's. However, Allen's is my homie. Now we got Apprentice in the chat. What's going on, Apprentice, man? Much love to you. How we all doing? G-Corp, how's it going? What a day. What a day. Bitcoin, baby. We got the corn. The corn got a pump today. Holy smokes, did the corn get a pump today? Did the corn get a pump today? Oh, this might have to be like this now. Ooh, this is my big chart. Okay. Let me go in the big chart. What's going on, guys? What are you voting for? 48,000 here? You guys are 100% bullish, eh? You guys are 100% bullish. You bullish friends of mine. What happened to my other one? No. Did I delete it? I did. I'm going to go back. I think I can get it back. No. Okay. Not coming back, guys. That's all right. What's going on, guys? Hope you're doing well. We're going to look for some trades. If you want me to look at anything, just shout it out. We'll have a look. Is Santa rallying? I'm going to have a look at that. Market Cipher. Some good stuff here. Evening stream. I felt like streaming. I don't know why. It's an option. It's always an option. So you can see this. All the FOMO. All the FOMO. All the FOMO coming in. What do you guys think? You guys think we're going to go down? Or do you guys think we're going straight to the moon? I need to know, my friends. Prentice, you're making me blush, man. You're making me blush. We're not far. We're not far away from this ETF stuff. Solana, what a move today. What do you guys think? Bully Berry. Hope you're doing well, Bully Berry. Hope you're having a wonderful day. It's a beautiful day. Guys, can you believe, are you guys ready? It's 20 days till Christmas. We know Schaefer ain't ready. Look, Schaefer's looking for gifts for his missus here. He's trying to buy some Galaxy Tab keyboard thing. Come on, man. You're not on that already? Video. Come on, guys. No need for that. Just smashing like buttons. I wish I took more profit, but still long and strong. It could get denied by the SEC because it won't let me be. 5 days till Xmas, not 20. Yeah. It's the 20th. The 20th today. It's wild. 5 days. 5 days, guys. G Corp. Are you going to have G Corp? You're having a hot Christmas, aren't you? You're down in I had a hot Christmas last year in Australia. That was interesting. This doesn't feel right. It doesn't feel like I'm looking at you. What a move today, guys. What a move today. Uh-oh. Steve H in the chat. Steve H in the chat. Steve, are you a 1 or a 2? Are you a 1 or a 2? That's what I want to know, Steve. Are you a 1 or are you a 2? What's going on, my man? Hope you're doing well. It's warm, not exactly hot. Okay. So we got the approach of the ETF, okay? Santa rally or not, okay? That's kind of the question. Now, what is going on with the S&P 500? Can somebody please tell me what is going on with this? Come on, tell me. 4. It's totally not going to happen. It's going to happen totally different than I could ever expect. Okay? Totally different than I could ever expect. However, the S&P, man, you worked so hard to get here. What have you had? 5 straight weeks of bullish? What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks straight of pumping, man. 7 weeks straight of pumping on the S&P, man. Topping tail. Look at all the gaps you've created. All I do is draw gaps on the S&P. All I do is draw gaps on the S&P. But guys, look at this. I just realized this myself. I shared it in the Discord. Join us in the free Discord. Jeez. This is not too good, man. Not too good. We got gaps down here, but we're going to all-time highs. Oh, yeah? Oh, the market maker that. Dangerous. This could be dangerous for Bitcoin too, okay? This could be dangerous for Bitcoin too. What the Dixie didn't pump, guys. So something's going on. Something is going on. Let's see if we can find out. Got no news here. BlackRock. Yeah, okay. Big rally. Okay. They're saying XRP is going to rally. You guys think that's... it's hard to think that XRP is even going to, do anything lately. However, Solana. Solana, my girl. Solana's just making new highs. We gave the target of 82 this morning. If we were to continue this movement upwards. Banging on them. It's the Santa rally about to begin. What's going on? Jonathan Schaefer. Jonathan Schaefer, if guys, he needs help. I even asked Mrs. Otter to have a look for him. I don't know if Mrs. Otter got back to me yet. Cheap Amazon ones, she says. Look at this. She's done her own research. Where does he live? Oh, she wants to know where you live. Okay. See, she's done some research for you. Now don't put this to waste, man. This is my missus. She worked hard for you, bro. I don't know how to copy this. Maybe I have to do the WhatsApp off screen. Oh God, how are we gonna do this? I gotta go back to my main menu. I'm gonna disappear for 2 seconds. Okay. She's put in work for you, man. She's put in work for you. Look at this. We're going back. There you go. Mrs. Otter did that. Mrs. Otter found all these things, cheap Amazon ones, and she found some more expensive ones on Etsy for you. Bro, look it out, okay? This is a community here. Sometimes we got to help Schaefer with his Christmas shopping, okay? I posted it. You got it all there. Sometimes we got to help the members with the Mrs. Christmas shopping. He asked for a girl's output. I asked Mrs. Otter. She's like, "What the fuck does he want to spend?" It's not like that. Don't get me wrong. And I'm like, I don't know. He's. Have you seen his P&L lately? I'll show you my P&L if you show me your P&L. You know, he's got a really big P&L. That Jonathan Schaefer guy recently. Very proud of you, homie. Fist pump that. I took a couple losses this week, but I'm still positive. And I'm doing really well this month. However, sometimes it's up and down, you know? But this month's been good to me. Has Santa been good to you guys? How is your trading going? Has Santa been good to you? Because Bitcoin doesn't really care, man. You can show my P&L. It sounds so like provocative. You've done well, Schaefer. You've done well. I'm proud of you, brother. I love seeing you guys win anyways. Some good apple juice, man. I have a rule just like in trading, no coffee after 3 o'clock. Sometimes I make one at 2:55. I'm not going to lie, okay? Not going to lie. Dave Digital in the chat. What's going on, man? The honorable mention. Dave Digital. Shout out to you, man. No swearing last night. You're winning, bro. You're winning. Some integrity right there. So we still got this bullish momentum to the upside. Yes, we've come down. Beautiful double top. I wanted to short this so bad, guys. We go over here. Beautiful double top. We got that last little push at the end. If you're watching like me on the 1 minute time frame and you're just like zoomed in. You guys do that? Am I the only one who's guilty? You're just hovering here. You're hovering here. And then bing, the little move. Failure to make a higher high. And then the dump. Okay. Nice set of mountains here, guys. Beautiful set of mountains. I love trading the mountains. The mountains are great. Good afternoon, guys. We all like the 1 minute. That's king. 30 seconds is a little bit, 30 seconds is a little bit. If I'm going to go 30, I might as well go 15, right? Sometimes I can be a sarky bastard. This looks like it's going to lose its level here. We got a support line here. Yeah, lost the level here, making a lower low. Yeah, look for this to continue downwards, guys. So we got this trend line too. Lunar Beach is crypto in the chat. What's going on? Good afternoon, man. Don't hate on the second time frames. Absolutely not. I mean, I love a good scalp, so I'm in on it. I love that 30, 15 second, whatever. You sign me up, man. The D-Gen's ready, okay? The D-Gen's ready. So let's pull a little fib here. What do we got? Okay, first we got that bounce off that golden pocket. That was nice. To me, that's invalidated. We're looking 786, friends. I almost said boys. Let's go, boys. We got some support down here too. I like streaming. I'm really digging this streaming in the afternoon, man. Just chilling out, drinking some apple juice with you guys. Yeah, man. I got that. This ain't sponsored by Ray Allen. Okay. This is called the Otter Juice. It's utterly fantastic. It's got all your nutrients. It's my it's my prop, man. Hello? Yeah? Yeah. We got Lunar Beach's crypto in here, yeah. Yeah. I know. I told him to hold that long and he did. He listened. Yeah. Yeah, he made that bank. All right, cool. Nice trade today, Lunar Beach's crypto. I really enjoyed that trade. Okay. And I'm giggling at myself. There's no humility within this human here. I'm trying to build the humility within myself. So, where's this level, guys? I've given you guys a level, okay? 43.2. 43,000. 43,000 sounds more psychological right along this trend line. That sounds juicy to me. If I draw one up here, you can play this one. You could play this one, okay? If we creep sideways and we hold this support, you could play this one. There's two trend lines, okay? You can hold this one. Man, you fought so hard to get up here, Bitcoin. You're going to let it go? You fought so hard to get up here. You pushed, and now you're blowing your house down, man. I'm trying to watch, but stuck in a meeting at City Hall. Well, Steve H., tell the city to wait. This is Alex O'Crypto here, man. You need me to sign off like a permission slip for you? I'll give you a permission slip. Send me their phone number. I'll give them. I got a message for them. So good move this morning, right? Good move. 42.9 all the way up to 44. Right into that box of consolidation. We had a naked point of control and a daily level that we were looking for it to hit. It hit it, okay? Naked point of control. It got above there to the value area high of this range. It failed to make a high above 44.5, okay? 44.8. 44.8's are high, right? So, however, we are moving up. There was some ETH FUD today. Did any of you guys catch that Ethereum FUD about how he lied? I don't know. We don't like liars in this place. If you're a liar, you can escort yourself out or ask the mods to give you the boot. I'm sure they wouldn't mind. I just said a boot. I'm Canadian, aren't I? So what do we have here? Double top, push down, back to key level of support. Let's pull the volume across the whole range here. This is such a chill stream. I'm drinking a damn juice box, man. I heard there's been some FUD with Mr. Buterin, Mr. Vitalik Schlong Buterin, that guy. Okay. I don't like the point of control anymore. I like this area right here. 42.5 looks like major support. If we lose 42.5, I think we're coming down. Nice move up. 43,000 looks to hold. Man, you guys are going to leave me. You guys are honest folk. I know you are. And if you're not, that's okay. We can work on that. We can work on that together. Honesty is the only policy. It'll set you free. I'll tell you that much. It'll set you free. I used to be a bit of a fibster back in the day, you know. And when I would fib, I didn't know what I told anybody else, right? And from that, my character was obviously diminished. And as I've gotten older, I've practiced a lot of rigorous honesty in order to just be authentic, right? Authenticity, man. It's hard to come by. Hard to come by. So we look for the continuation of this pump. We look for a retrace down to 43,000. Right now we're trying to hold this, right? We're trying to hold this. Is not looking too healthy. Okay. Let's go over the 4 hour. We can see we got the money flow is actually curving up on the 4 hour. Something I noticed that, very much overbought. The 1 hour is cooled down. Money flow is flying off. Okay. Posturing's to the upside as well. So you could see a little bit of a pushback here in the next couple hours. Next couple hours, look for a little bit of a pushback. Maybe something along the lines of, maybe a fib retracement for this. Let's take a look at where the fib retracement is. Get into the nitty gritty. In case you guys are looking to trade in this afternoon, for me, my trades are shut down now. I'm not trading. This is not trading time for me. It could be trading time for you. So we didn't get up here. We got to the 0.5. Interesting. Yeah, so this is still on the table for a little bit of a move down. Man, you guys are legends. If there was one place you shouldn't lie, I only lie at church on Wednesday after 6:30 p.m. I'm sure God will forgive you. I'd forgive you, Dave. You guys are bringing God into this. Of course you are. Oh, man. What's the daily saying, guys? What's the daily saying? Carson Daily. Okay. Money flows curving back up. We got the bullish green dot confirmed. Money flow is posturing up. Same with VWAP. Same with stochastics. Okay. So the daily looks bullish. The weekly, red dot. Remember the weekly red dot? We talked about it this morning, looking to cool off. I said if we do get a major push, it could cancel this red dot, okay? If we continue to push, okay, we get rid of some of these squiggly lines. Man, we got a lot of squiggly lines on here. Let's group this. Let's group this and get rid of it. Let's get rid of that. So my lie is usually no, Mrs. Nelson. That doesn't make you look fat. I mean, at least you're trying to be kind. You're like, it's like, I would call that like a fib. I don't know. If you want, a lie is a lie. Okay, let's get that straight. But if you're going to fib to make Mrs. Nelson blush a little bit, then you're trying to do God's work. Right, Dave? Oh, man. Yeah, so the daily here. The thing with the daily, okay, if we make a higher high, we're going to have such a bearish divergence. It's not even funny. Like, you're going to get the nastiest bearish divergence you've seen in a long time, okay? Dave Digital, that's a white lie. Hey, is that anti-Semitism in my chat? No, we're here, not leaving. Okay. Thank you, Steve. So if we do put in that higher high, we're going to get a bearish divergence. It's going to lay the smack down on Bitcoin. For me, consolidation, sideways price action would be more preferable leading up into the ETF. If we just chop between here and then ETF, bada bing, bada boom, we go into the moon, right? So we can do some flank, I just said Frank Sinatra to the moon, okay? Okay, so let's connect some highs here. Let's see what's going on. So we got, and we got this, it's like an uptrend now, right? We got something like this forming, okay? You could also say that we've broken out here, okay? So let's go on the 12-hour just so it looks a little bit better. We'll get rid of this trend line. Actually, I want to keep that one. We'll just hide it. And What's going on here? Well, we haven't filled the CME gap. It feels like we're just faking out the CME gaps. That's 100% like how it feels. Secondly, we got some sort. So like we could have said, okay, here's your flag. You're breaking out today. Now you're retesting that flag. Okay, so that's one way of looking at this. Let's go to the 8 hour. Get some more candles here. So yes, we broke down, but we started to ascend the flag. We've broken out of the flag. We're retesting the flag, and then we're breaking out. Okay, that's one way of looking at this. We made lower lows. Beautiful bullish divergence. I believe it was on the 12 hour. Yeah, look at this. Bang. 12 hour bullish divergence. Fire into the moon, okay? Now, this hasn't played out yet. There's still room on this. If you go over the 12 hour, there's still room on this. There's still room to the upside. However, you make the higher high, you get the hidden bullish divergence, right? So if you make the higher high, you get the bearish divergence. So, very interesting. This is a very big topping tail as well. Very big. Probably the biggest we've seen recently, yeah. There's a good one over here. But yeah, pretty big topping tail. So, nice retracement. Could be back to this trend line, right? Breakout. I can see that. If you really want to be like, drawing like a triangle kind of breakout kind of deal here. I don't like it though. I don't like it. So yeah, there's room on the 12 hour to go up. We got posturing on the VWAP to the upside still. Reset on the stochastics and the RSI. So you can see when you're in a bullish trend, you're typically oscillating up here. So you've kind of reset that and you're coming back together, and there's still quite a bit of room up here. So objectively speaking, there's still more power in the engine looking to pop off. There are times in the Bible it was okay to lie, such as rehab to protect the innocent. Rehab is in Jesus' lineage. God bless you all. Hey, man. Gotta love God. Gotta love God. I believe in God. I'm just cautious. Cautious. You gotta believe in something. Faith is where it's at, man. It's not a question, okay, like I saw this thing. There's 3 doors, okay? One door, there is a God. Do you believe in God? I believe in God. Second door is, I don't believe in God. And the third door is, there is no God. Now, the thing is if you don't believe or you believe in God, that's totally separate than if there is a God, okay? Because a belief is something that you believe in. You can't really question that. Right? You can't just put, there is no God, right? It's either you believe or you don't believe. I thought that was kind of interesting to think about. Think about it, okay? She said they weren't there to protect them, right? I believe in the universe. You can call that God if you wish. Yeah, I believe there's, if you want to call it the universe, if you want to call it, a tree, whatever you want to call it. I believe in it. I believe in it. Oh, are we going to go watch a friggin' commercial on my show? We are. I don't know if I got the sound fixed. Okay. Here we go. I'm scared. I don't know if I fixed the sound. Audio. What's this going on down here? I don't like that on my screen. Audio input. That's my voice. Audio. Main screen. Okay. You guys can't hear that, can you? You guys can't hear that. We going down the rabbit holes. What's going on, Melissa? We going down. We just talking about God. God and all his goodness. Goodness gracious. I can't get my audio to work. You guys can read the subtitles. How about that? That's screen audio. Let me go to properties. What about now? Screen audio.
Satoshi sends his regards. Look for Bitwise, my
You can hear that now? Are we good for the sound?
Thought you would like to know. Satoshi sends.
It says it's playing on my end.
Look for Bitwise, my friends.
I'm gonna go get my car. I'm gonna go get the hammer. I can hear
Thought
it.
you would like to know. Satoshi sends his regards.
Did I do some? Did I actually fix it?
Look for Bitwise, my friends.
Was it just? It's just repeating itself now. I'm sorry.
Thought you would like to know.
I'm just trying to turn up the volume.
Satoshi sends his regards.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Look for Bitwise, my friends. Thought you would like to know. Satoshi sends his regards. Look for Bitwise, my friends.
That guy. Okay, I'll shut it up. I'll shut it up. I'm probably annoying so many people right now.
Thought you would.
So yeah, we went there. We did some technical audio instead of analysis. Whew. Important low. I don't make these kind of correlations, but to me, if the ES loses this low, BTC down. Important low. Okay, I like that. I can see. So if we go over to the ES, whew. I think he's talking about this one over here, but on the ES, obviously on the ES. So I'm gonna go over here on the ES. Yes. Is it ES or is it yes? Where is my S&P? The ES. So this is your significant low here. Right here. We've held. You're only annoying 11 people. Good. One day we'll grow. But until then, we're not a grower. We're just a shower. That's how it's got to be. I still show up for you guys. Everybody's watching Traders Reality. Of course, this guy's the market maker, man. Who doesn't want to watch Traders Reality? I even watch Traders Reality, okay? That's okay. I just keep drinking my damn juice box then. Then we got Frankie Candles and Candle Mafia. You just want to be a mafia man, okay? You don't want to be an otter. We could live stream Tino. Absolutely.
Like XRP, doing nothing.
This guy's
Solana seems to be the winner of the day, ladies and gentlemen. Our weekly outlook on Solana has done very well for the platinum guys. We projected from $74. We wanted $82 at the top side of the move right there on the idea that Solana wasn't done with this range. We set up the block range right there. And then I kind of gave you guys a little bit of flavor earlier on in the live stream and said Solana's going to go to 82.
Yeah.
I lied. It went to 84. So we saw that nice
You saw
move
82,
up.
eh?
And Solana is actually doing big numbers right now across the board. It's
got
actually
beef?
surpassed XRP in terms of market cap, if I've read that
You got
correctly.
beef, eh?
So there's a lot of interest coming into play with Solana, and that's all because of these meme coins. Solana leapfrogs XRP as the 5th largest crypto, spurred by meme coin mania. So now we don't only have Bitcoin dominance, so we're going to see a Bitcoin rally.
He's
We don't
bringing the
also have
flavor.
altcoin season. We are now slowly but progressively going into the idea of meme coin mania or meme coin
I think I
season.
confused you,
That
Pollo.
is something that's going to happen. Now, let's just go over to this Nansen portfolio. Well, it's a portfolio.
We got a head and
whatever it is.
shoulders pattern, guys.
They provide information, quite in-depth information regarding tokens, okay? And the reason why I've subscribed to this is because it gives me information about specific altcoins that are
The reason why we
designed
subscribe to this.
get money from one place to the next. So check this out. We've got this coin, and it's in real time as well. It updates. Check this out. There's this coin called Crazy. Has had a DEX outflow
Show me,
of
baby. Show me. Come on.
711,000
Let me know.
in the last
Crazy, bro.
24 hours. Just look at this asset, ladies and gentlemen. Crazy. Where is it?
Okay, I can't do it anymore. I'm gonna go back into my corner. Oh man. Okay. Hashdex. We're going to Hashdex now. Stocks aren't crypto. Fixed income isn't crypto. Precious metals.
I'm coming in hot.
Oh, I just want to do the drop again, man. Come on, guys. You want to do the drop with me?
I'm coming in hot.
Okay, that's all you're getting out of me, man. That was me back in the day, you know? Catching the air. Gotta catch the air. You gotta pass the Dutch. Pass the bread to Nona. Pass the bread to Nona. And grab the air. Pass the bread. I'm confused. Raise the roof. Try it. Try it. You look like you know what you're doing. That was a pretty sweet commercial, man. I'll repost that. We made it, guys. Look at the level. It's going to break that resistance soon. BNB. Yeah. Let's go look at BNB, baby. Bitcoin retesting. Going to pop off again. Solana new highs. Let's go over to BNB. In the place to be. Thank you so much for being here, Pollo. I'm sorry I confused you. Okay, BNB. What are we looking at here? Okay. We've broken out a little bit. Okay. I look for the retest here. Ooh. 270 target, okay? 270 target. BNB. Very suppressed. We got some levels above us here. I think we did a pullback video on BNB. Very nice downwards trend line, okay? Very nice. BNB, if it were to be trading up to where it should be up here. Okay? Should be up here. Here. Lowest, okay? This is where Solana is. Solana's tapping on this door right here. What if BNB had this move? I'm holding shift. Another 30% for BNB up to these levels at 345. So 350 is kind of like where Solana's trading. Now, what do I mean by that? Where's Solana trading? Okay, what do I mean by that? I mean the price in comparison to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is up trading underneath this level here. Let me zoom out for you guys. Bitcoin is up trading at this level, right? You look to my left here. It's trading up in here. Bitcoin's up in here. Solana's knocking on that door right now, right? So if BNB is to get to where Solana is, the same level, it should be up here, right? It's not. It's suppressed. This is how you find things that are going to move a little bit more than other things that have already moved, right? Things got to catch up, right? Like we said before, we got fiat, we got Bitcoin, we got high, medium, and low caps, okay? Whatever you want to call it. Bitcoin into ETH, into Solana, into ADA, right? Then let's get a little bit of beauty into the, the Maddox and, some Beam. And then let's go into some whatever. And then shit coins just are those meme coins, those dogs, those cats, those parrots, those otters, those frogs. They're all just narrative, right? Just like gaming right now. It's its own narrative. That's why it's doing well. So narratives work just as well. So know the cycle, know how it works so that you can position yourself. Now going into BNB, we are breaking out of that area, right? We are breaking out of that area. We have flipped it to support. It looks like it has retested. So push out, flipped it to support, continuation upwards. How do we trade this? Okay, so we pull, like we always do, we pull the momentum all the way up. We kind of make it tight as possible, right? Now let's go into a tighter time frame. Very, very nice. Respected. Okay, maybe a little bit tighter than that. Okay, tighter the better. Get your mind out of the gutter. And then we look for continuation here, right? Beautiful retest breakout. Took a lot of energy. You can see all the energy it took to break out. Okay. Looks like we're posturing to the upside here on the 30 minutes. Looks like it can continue its way upwards. Not saying to jump into this, but it looks pretty nice. Looks pretty nice. Your next level of resistance is at 270 on BNB. Okay. So look for it to respect this trend line and hold it. Okay. Very nice. That's what he said. Tino has his moments where he really starts firing off, but most of the time, yeah, too busy assessing the market. I mean, to each his own. To each his own. I just wanted to come on here to see what it felt like to stream in the evening, because we're going to be switching our stream time, because that's how we roll. Guys, it's time to pay rent. It says rent. It's time to pay rent. I love that notification on my phone. It just says rent. Pay rent. Did you know that in Toronto, a one-bedroom is $2,800 a month? A one-bedroom. Like a box. Like I'm talking... Not cool, man. Look at the ES, man. Look at the ES. Very, very beautiful. Okay, so we're looking for a continuation of this downtrend. If we lose this downtrend, remember, the levels that we're looking at here is definitely going to be... What happened here? Oh, this one. Sorry. Is I like... So when we pulled the volume here... right, for this section. I like the shelf here. Okay, so this shelf here, I believe it's on this group here. Yeah. I can just take all this and put it in there, can't I? I like the shelf here. So I like this level here being like, okay, 42,500. If we lose 42,500, we look to come back to the bottom of the range, which is around 40,000. Okay, 40,800. Did you know living in a co-op is only $50 a month? Wow. Wow. Nick Musgrave, what's going on? Good morning? I believe it's good morning for Nick Musgrave right now. Good morning, Nick Musgrave. What's going on, brother? What's going on? So we look for the continuation here. Look at that. Indecisive candle pushing its way back up. Let's go. Let's go, Bitcoin. All right. So at the beginning of the stream, we drew this box. If we get up into this box, we could be looking for another rejection, okay? This golden pocket 786. Little bearish divergence, continuation downwards, okay? But also it is a break of structure here. Okay? Break of structure. We've pushed down. We're making a higher high. Break of structure, okay? If we're still bullish, We look for the retrace. And then the entry, okay? Very nice. Very nice. You said coop, not co-op. Chicken coop. I used to shoot the chickens. You got to forgive me. I used to, in Counter-Strike, I used to shoot the chickens in CS Italy. If you know that reference, you're my friend, okay? I used to go and shoot the chickens in CS Italy. Sorry, Pollo. I'm sorry, man. You know why? Because I'm the sheriff. Don't think I didn't have it. Don't think I don't have the hat ready. Okay? I'm always ready. Okay? See, YouTube, this is an orange tip, YouTube. This is not real. All right? I was that guy who ran around with a riot shield, you know? I was the guy who just CS 1.6 with the riot shield, just hitting you, making you mad. Yeah. It's funny. Schaefer is the sheriff. I'm the deputy or something, whatever. Man, you guys playing too much CS here. Man, I'm out of apple juice. I just put on a southern accent. I need Lunar Beach's crypto in this stream. I can't do the accent like you can. However, I can do the TAs. So Solana made a new high today, okay? Can I lose the hat or do I have to keep the hat on? Actually, Solana, baby. We said 82,857. It went higher. Rejection. Wow, look at this. We were looking at head and shoulders pattern. It said nah. It said nah. Negated this top. Okay. Wow. Wow. It doesn't want to stop. It's flipped XRP, man. It's like XRP. Get that garbage out of here, man. Get that garbage out of here. Holy smokes. But I didn't shoot the truth. Nick Musgrave. I need some animal crackers. You got any Dunkaroos, Dave Digital? I want some Dunkaroos, man. I used to save the icing for the one scoop, man. What is the chicken of the cave? I don't know what the chicken of the cave is, man. The chicken of the cave. You got me there. You got me there. You got me there. All I want is some fruit roll up and some Dunkaroos, Dave Digital. Man. This is what happens when people who are born in 1990. Yes, that's it. I'm born in 1990, guys. I'm a young spring chicken. Jump on the charts and start making money. This is what happens, okay? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I still got my you guys, if you guys know who this is, you guys are my friends. This is my action figure. With the claws that shoot out, you know? The head. The glow-in-the-dark teeth. Street sharks. Are we friends or what? I think we're friends. What's going on, Hayden? Sending out your meat tomorrow. Man, if bison meat lands on my doorstep, man, I love you forever, bro. Shout out to you, bro. Guess what? The music track is almost done as well. So we're going to have our own track. Wow. You guys are legends, man. Hey. Hayden, you're the man. Thank you. I love you, bro. I love you, man. Merry Christmas. Such a sick community, man. I don't care if there's always 12 or 13 of you in here. You guys are awesome, man. We know all those UK people are asleep right now. It's 10 o'clock where they are. Wow. These trend lines, man, if you're just pressing, like this is a thing with longs, man. If you're just trading these trend lines, giving yourself enough room, man, you don't even need tight stop losses. Look at this. My God. So what we're going to watch here for Solana is a double top, right? We got this blow off top. We have key level of resistance from previous supply or previous volume on the old range. So you're going to look for something like this. Continuation downwards, right? Back to the main vein, the main trend line to the upside. Okay, so you're going to watch for that. We'd like to see it come back to... We'll see. Very parabolic, okay? Very good news for Solana. BNB looking for that breakout. Continuation upwards. I mean, the sky's the limit for BNB. We got some stops along the way, but 30% we're saying, right? 30%. Yeah, you got lots of room to go on BNB if we get this. I mean, the CZ stuff is what suppressed it, right? Melissa, you're a legend. You put up with us. It's like you just take care of all of us, and we love you. If there's any, I'm gonna do some hot pink and black combo thing for you one day. We do purple. Mrs. Otter's favorite color is purple. That's why we do purple. My favorite color is orange. So that's why the colors are the colors. It reminds me to not lose money because my wife is watching. Does that make sense? Psychologically, I know the purple represents the misses, so she's always watching me, so I got to make sure that I'm very careful. Respect. Yeah, we're all young. It's all a mindset thing, right? That's why we make mindset videos. Avalanche. Okay, guys, bought some Avalanche down here. I'm pretty happy about that buy. Now, do you guys think that we get the ETF and let's say we get this massive pump. Do altcoins follow or do they just lag? Do altcoins follow or do they lag? Put a 1 if you think they'll follow Bitcoin's price action, or put a 2 if you think they'll lag immensely because of the announcement. Alexo Crypto, when you go back to BTC, check out the 4-hour money flow. It is crossing the 0 line. I checked that for you right now, Schaefer. The sheriff. I'm not crossing yet, man. I'd say 2 candles. So it'll cross when we're sleeping, is what it's saying. Yeah, still, if we continue this momentum. So you can do some predictive stuff here. So if you get your tool and you draw the trend line here of the money flow, and then you go 1, 2, 3. So tomorrow, Thursdays are what? Come on, we all know this. Thursdays are what days? Are they pump or are they dump? I think Thursdays are dump days, guys. So looks like we're setting up for a possible correction, but it's hard. Dave, so you guys think it's going to lag or you think it's going to follow? Jonathan Schaefer says it's going to follow. Nick says it's going to lag. I think there will be an initial lag. But tomorrow's going to be a dumpo day, in my opinion. Unless we We could put in the high tomorrow, get everybody. Oh, that would be great, right? Watch tomorrow's live stream in the morning. We put in this new high and then just destroy everybody's feelings. That would be good. I mean, as traders, we're going to make money anyways because we'll be ready for it. We'll be ready for it. So Avalanche pushing up quite nicely here as well. It didn't make the higher high. Okay, so that's another thing. Is that unlike Solana, it didn't make the higher high here. So the actual head and shoulders pattern is still in play for Avalanche. Okay, so it's not good twisted, but this is still in play for Avalanche. Not saying it's going to happen, but it's still in play. Okay, so Solana invalidated that by putting in the new high, right? So it took out this previous high, invalidating the overall look. So Avalanche could get rejected here. However, Avalanche is the bullish narrative on all the gaming stuff on Avalanche is pretty wild. So let's be aware of that, okay? Dave Digital is putting in a high tonight and tomorrow. That's very good. Sometimes at Christmas, you just got to put in a high. I totally understand it. Jesus still loves you. Oh, looking at ADA. I bought another 5,000 ADA here if you guys are wondering what that is. Because I felt like it, okay? I ADA'd to my bags, okay? I ADA'd to my bags. We'll go to my actual ADA chart. ADA looks suppressed, in my opinion. But remember, ADA chills and then it pops, right? Chills, then it pops. Okay, so ADA is chilling right now. ADA's just chilling. So if we look at Cardano, we pull a beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. Just chilling, man. Just chilling. Lag effects for real, man. I gotta lose this hat. Actually, it commands respect, this hat. This is in case it's too windy. In case it's too windy, we can zip this up so it doesn't fall off when we're riding Bessie. Nice bullish momentum here on ADA. Let's see if it continues to follow this trend line. Okay, getting above the point of control. Looks like it could continue its way up. Link has been suppressed as well, guys. Very similar. Okay. Link hasn't had much of a move, considering Bitcoin has. Okay. Solana's got the big move today, and obviously, Injective is doing its own thing. Look at that. We marked out 40,000 or for $40 and it came back and retested and it popped off of that. So that's pretty cool. We marked that out this morning. Came back, retested, pushed up. Shows you it works. Got to go take the kid out of the car for the wife and carry in groceries. All right, man. Much love to you, Schaefer. We're just coming on to say hello. Is there anything else you guys would like me to look at? This is just a quick little stream coming at you. I got to go cook some salmon. I'm making salmon, rice, and veg tonight. Well, the funding's negative on BNB. Long the shit out of that. That's wild. That's wild. Injective continuing. IMX flying off the handles, okay? Flip to support. Very nice move. XRP. It's the best stable coin you can have. Atom. Very flat, right? Very flat. Rune's got has had a nice move. That's pretty cool. Anytime, Melissa. Much love. Much love. Have a wonderful rest of your evening. XRP meme coin. We got Bonk here. Bonk's gotten beat up, man. I think Cock Inu's taken over, okay? Cock in you. Oh, never mind. Cock in you's gone. Cock in you's gone to shit as well. Okay. So no bonk, no cock in you. I mean, they kind of go hand in hand. Cock in you and a bonk. I made a 1,200% trade on this. That was nice. Big flag. Big flag. Look for it to retest, right? Look for it to retest. If you're looking to degen into something, you look for that long here for the retest. You can bring that down a little bit. 14.8. 14.8 somewhere. Yeah. Render had a move today. It's pushing up. That's nice to see. Nice move for Render. Yeah, overall, man, this was a nice move from Bitcoin. However, tomorrow is a dump day. We're very much pushed up. Money flow is curving back to the upside on the 4-hour. The 12-hour still has room to go to the upside. Posturing is to the upside. Bullish divergence. VWAP pushing up. Okay, so we've got a big, huge topping tail here. So it's something to be cautious about. We look for the retrace. This 42.5 is kind of my last area of where I would look for it to come down. Is that what it's called? It's called Cock Inu. Cock Inu. Yeah, it's the meme coin on Avalanche. It's called Cock Inu, Melissa. Get some cock. It's called Cock Inu. Look. Symbol Cock Inu. Cock USDT. Okay. We did TA on it yesterday. We banged on it. We banged on the TA yesterday. We called the long from here. It came up, then it got dumped on, but that's the meme coin. Cock in ya. This world's going to shit. So we look for the continuation, guys. Right now, sitting on my hands, it's the evening, low volatility. We'll wait for the open tomorrow. And I'll be here, 8:30 in the morning, Eastern Standard Time. And we can talk Bitcoin. We can talk Cockinya. We can talk bonk. We can talk whatever you guys want. Thank you guys so much for supporting this channel and being for reals. Much love to every single one of you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your evening. Much love and peace out.
My life a story, I'm trying to find the glory. Got them all sleeping on me, my haters out here dying, snoring. Why they mad that I'm finally growing, and they see me fighting for it. What they wanna get involved for, I kill them all off until I'm enormous. Cause 9 to 5 is boring, grinding 5 in the morning. I'd rather make music, get paid for it, die with a fortune. And my ride is foreign, every whip I drive imported. Anybody know me, they know, for this game, no, I'm dying for it. I'm on now. Give me that crown, yeah. Ain't nobody out here really wanting with me. I'm going hard while you falling asleep. I got it all cause I deserve it all. Just being honest, they don't wanna see me honest. I'm taking over this game now and that's a promise. Stay out of pocket, they don't wanna believe I got it. Give me that crown now cause I'm the king, call me your highness. This life a movie, I'm a motherfucking star like Clooney. From dusk till dawn, I'm a loose sleep. I ain't tryna live broke like you be. I've been coming for the bag, I do me. Will I get paid? Absolutely. Cause you better knew a boss like Takeoff. I ain't left all bad and bougie. Heard them talk, they barely knew me. I ain't let no stranger fool me. When I came in the game, y'all showing that fake love. I ain't look past your jewelry. Now this ride is foreign. Every whip I drive imported. Anybody know me, they know. For this game, no, I'm dying for it. I'm on now. Give me that crown, yeah. Ain't nobody out here really wanting with me. I'm going hard while you falling asleep. I got it all cause I deserve it all. Just being honest, they don't wanna see me honest. I'm taking over this game now, and that's a promise. They out of pocket, they don't wanna believe I got it. Give me that crown now, cause I'm the king, call me your highness.